The two suspects arrested over the shooting allegedly targeted at Jaffna High Court Judge M. Ilanchalian in Nallur, Jaffna, are due to be produced in court. The main suspect of the shooting, which left a police sergeant dead and another police officer injured, is yet to be apprehended.
The motorbike used by the main suspect who fled the scene was found in the Ariale area in Jaffna today. Several protests against the shooting were held in the northern and eastern provinces today. In the northern province, lawyers in blackface masks refrained from judicial services in a show of protest against the shooting. The Northern Province Private Bus Owners Association also staged a strike action in protest to the shooting. Long-distance bus operators also pledged their allegiance to the strike action.
We strongly condemn this incident. This should have been the last time this ever happens. This incident is a threat to the entire judicial sector. The government must launch an immediate investigation into this. Judges must be provided with security. We strongly condemn this incident as it is a massive threat against the independence of the judiciary. Incidents of this nature have happened before. If such incidents do happen again, we as officials of law enforcement would like to remind everyone in this country that we will be compelled to resort to stricter measures. Colombo High Court Judge Sarath Ambepitiya, who was a noble judge, was brutally murdered. We as lawyers condemn such brutalities, may it be in the north or east, but anywhere for that matter.
The remains of Police Sergeant Sarath Premachandra, who was killed in the shooting, is currently lying at his residence in Chilao.
Although my husband was from the police, there was no threat to him. That is a lie. It is a judge who is under threat. I request that an investigation is conducted. My brother served honestly. He was loved by everyone. The other officer, who was also shot, has been discharged.
Our correspondent said that Jaffna High Court Judge M. Ilanchalian visited the slain police sergeant's residence last night to pay his last respects. Issuing a communique, the Bar Association of Sri Lanka said it vehemently condemns the shooting in Jaffna and the death of the police sergeant Sarath Premachandra. In its statement, the BASL demands the authorities to conduct impartial and expeditious investigations into the incident and to bring the perpetrators before the law without delay.
They are saying that this incident was not premeditated and that around 2 or 3 people who were under the influence had grabbed the police officer's pistol and shot him. This is a joke. This shows how much the law and order in Jaffna has collapsed. The Inspector General of Police and all Senior Deputy Inspector Generals and Deputy Inspector Generals of Police in Jaffna must take complete responsibility for this incident. I would like to ask if it has come to a stage where anyone can just grab a police officer's firearm. This must be investigated. Immediately apprehend the chief suspect.